Are you looking for the best Xtool scanner? In this video we will break down top 5 best Xtool scanner on the market this year. Based on performance and situations they will be used in, we will have the perfect option for you. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. If you want to see stay up to date technology video, please subscribe my channel. Okay, let's start the video. Number 5. Brand name, Xtool, model number, D9S, Xtool D9S OBD2 Scanner diagnostic tool with intuitive topology module mapping, having everything in a view on the communication structure between modules, just one click to display information, executive functions and view live data in graphing directly. The tablet-style design features a bright, responsive touchscreen, making navigation through functions intuitive. D9S is an advanced automotive diagnostic system featuring a large 9.7-inch screen and dual Wi-Fi modules for stable data transfer between the tablet and VCI. It is designed for mechanics, electricians, and automotive repair stores. It provides full system automotive diagnostics, live data, bidirectional control tests, ECU coding. Number 4. Brand name, Xtool, model number, EZ400 Pro. Xtool EZ400 Pro is a useful tool for mechanic or professional user, which is a complete diagnosis tool with special service reset functions. This scan tool supports diagnosis on all car systems like ABS, SRS, engine, transmission, brake systems and so on, with capabilities for codes, live data graphing, active test, ECU information, read VIN etc. Its open-source Android operating system provides fast boot-up and multitasking. EZ400 Pro provides extensive vehicle coverage for most US, Asian and European makes. The Xtool EZ400 Pro automotive diagnostic scan tool has full-featured bidirectional control capability and supports 31+ services. Designed for mechanics and workshops. It allows you to view detailed data from various sensors and performs OE-level diagnosis like an OEM diagnostic scanner for over 10,000+ car models. The Xtool EZ400 Pro supports car VIN and scan technology to quickly identify your car information and diagnose car faults. Number 3. Brand name, Xtool, model number, IP608. The powerful Xtool IP608 OBD2 Scanner diagnostic tool is used for the engine, transmission, ABS, airbag system, battery system and other systems. Quickly diagnose and read faults in various systems of the car, read DTCs, clear DTCs, read live data, read freeze frames and read ECU info. Quickly identify the location and cause of the fault, provide accurate basis for car maintenance and save maintenance time and costs. This Xtool IP608 car scanner diagnostic tool is equipped with Android 10 system and 1.5 GHz quad-core processor, 5-inch touchscreen and built-in 3000 mAh battery. The robust hardware ensures smooth performance and precise results throughout the diagnostic process. The Xtool IP608 car diagnostic tool can simultaneously monitor multiple types of data in real time. This allows maintenance personnel to easily view the data correlations between various systems, analyze the overall operating status of the car more intuitively, and help identify hidden problems and potential fault risks. Number 2. Brand name, Xtool, model number, D8S. Xtool D8S OBD2 Scanner offers a truly disruptive price point, boasting breakthrough features that are equivalent to a 1000+ scanner, a market-wide first. Xtool D8S with bidirectional control capability is a professional controls various car parts and OBD2 diagnostic scan tool that not only retrieves information from ECUs, but also send commands to ECUs, best diagnostic tool for workshops or DIYers. D8S is an automotive smart diagnostic system with 8 inches LCD display, which is designed for mechanics, car owners, and car maintenance shops. It supports full OBD2 function in automotive diagnostics for full system, including reading ECU version information, reading fault codes, live data and freeze frames. It visualizes the system's affiliations, saves time for every car owners, helps technicians and repair shops improve the efficiency up to 95%. Xtool D8S can quickly detect and judge and sound an alarm to remind the driver. Number 1. Brand name, Xtool, model number, InPlus IP616. The Xtool InPlus IP616 OBD2 Scanner diagnostic tool takes performance to the next level with upgraded hardware and software features. The redesigned user interface guarantees smooth navigation. The faster Type-C charging reduces downtime, and the doubled storage capacity of 64 GB provides more room for a smoother user experience. Xtool IP616 Auto Scanner diagnostic tool has intelligent auto VIN to automatically identify vehicle info for quick diagnosis and generate real-time diagnostic report, which allows repair shop owners to share with customers, DIYers to share with friends, car hobbyists to share with dealer.